Accidentally deleted an important text message or an entire conversation on your iPhone? Don't worry. If it hasn't been permanently deleted yet, you may still be able to get it back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted text messages directly from the Messages app. I'll also show you what to check in iCloud if your messages aren't appearing there. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. On this screen, you can see your complete list of conversations. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Edit button on the left and the More Options button on the right. Tap the More button and then select Recently Deleted. Here, you can see that I have 4 deleted conversations. Next to each conversation, you'll see the number of days remaining before it's permanently deleted. Deleted messages may remain here for up to 40 days before they're permanently removed. For example, right here, you can see 1 day next to my text messages. That means I have only 1 day remaining to recover these messages. After that, they'll be removed from recently deleted. Now, tap the text message or conversation that you want to recover. If you want everything back, you can also tap the Recover All button that appears in the bottom left corner. In my case, I'm selecting conversations number 1 and number 4. Now I'm tapping Recover. And that's it. These messages are recovered and should appear again on the main screen of the Messages app. But what if the message you're looking for isn't showing under Recently Deleted? The next thing to check is your iCloud Messages settings. If your messages were previously synced with iCloud, you can check their current synchronization status. To do this, open the Settings app. Tap your Apple account name at the top, and then tap iCloud. On this screen, tap See All and select Messages in iCloud. Here, check whether Use on this iPhone is turned on. If this toggle is green, your Messages app is set up to sync your messages with iCloud. You can also tap Sync Now to sync your messages. In my case, the status currently says Not Syncing, but below that, I can see Last Synced yesterday at 11:30 a.m. That tells me when my messages were last synced with iCloud. One important thing to remember: iCloud Messages syncing is not the same as restoring an older iCloud backup. If Messages in iCloud was enabled when you deleted a message, that deletion can also sync to iCloud. So don't assume iCloud will always contain a separate copy of a deleted message. And that's how you can recover accidentally deleted text messages on your iPhone. Hopefully this video worked for you. Let me know in the comments. Were you able to find your messages under Recently Deleted, or were they already gone? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more iPhone tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!